Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to teach all of you about uniform circular motion. For the circular motion, it has two types, which is first, uniform, second, non-uniform. For uniform, the object moves in the circle at constant speed. That means the speed doesn't change. For the second type, which is non-uniform, the object move in the circle path at unconstant speed. That means the speed always changing. When the ball spinning in the circle, the ball will has velocity. So the velocity will change the direction of the ball so that the ball can move in the circular path. So when the ball change the direction, that means it has acceleration. When the ball has acceleration, it also has force. From the second Newton's law, it states that force equal to mass times acceleration. That means if we has acceleration, we also has force. The force on the object is called centripetal force or FC. This FC always point toward to the center of the circle. So to make sure the object move in the circular path, the centripetal force or FC must be applied. So to find the centripetal force FC, the formula given is FC equal to M times V squared divided by R. FC is centripetal force. M is represent mass of the object. V is velocity and R is radius. Radius means the distance between the object toward to the center of the circle. Before this, we learned about centripetal force. As we know, if the centripetal force exists, that means the centripetal acceleration also exists. For the centripetal force, we write it as Fc, while the centripetal acceleration, we write it as AC. Centripetal acceleration always toward to the center of the circle. To find centripetal acceleration, we will use this formula. The formula is AC, which is centripetal acceleration, equal to V divided by R. V stand for velocity, which is the velocity of the ball, while R stand for radius. Radius means the distance between the ball towards the center of the circle.